Okay, so I'm going to use basil cardstock, and this purple floral layer is Chamel Sparkle City called Fresh Flowers. I'm going to use that. Then I'm going to use a blue polka dot layer, which is from Pink Paisle's Horizon number 16. Right there. Even though you're not going to be able to see it, I'm going to ink the edges in black anyway. I'm going to go ahead and do that pink, and that mustard colored layer is Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days, as well as that pink layer, Pink Paisley Paige Evans Horizon number 4. So these pictures are pictures that I took after my husband and I separated. It wasn't anything that I really wanted to do because I was in it for the long haul. Marriage to me, I did not want to be a divorced person, unfortunately. But he had said he was not the marrying type. And so after about 15, 16 years together, I decided that I wasn't going to stay where I was not wanted. So I had been teaching for several years, and I decided that maybe it was time to go off on my own. And so I spread my wings, and these are just pictures of my life in my new chapter in my life. Yeah. Only to recently find out that he sold the house we had together and moved in with a girlfriend. So much for being not the marrying type, huh? So I'm kind of hurt by that. Yeah, I am remarried myself, but it still hurts that he, I left on the pretenses that he decided he was not the marrying type and he's moving in with a girlfriend. So, yeah. Anyway, life goes on. I'm with a great guy who showers me with affection, and I tend to be cold-hearted at times. Um, and we are trying to have a baby of our own together. So I pray every day for that because I've always wanted a baby, and my ex did not, so I honored his wishes. So I hope that we can give Mateo the sister that he wants, or a brother at this point. He says he doesn't care. He wanted a sister, and now at this point he says, I don't care, brother or sister, just get me either one. I'm like, okay. Oh, brother. Yeah. But at least, us being married now, he is happy about that because now I have the Alarkin name. So he's crazy cute. Anyways, so back to my layout. So we have the tag and the die cuts are Pink Paisley's Horizon, and the bows are Maggie Home Sunny Days from the March kit. I never used them, and then I decided that, hey, I can use every single bow on this one layout. And so it all worked out. I'm going to use, some of the puffy stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio BU from past kit. And then I'm also going to use some of these chipboard stickers, which are American Crafts Horizon stickers. And then I'm going to throw in some phrase stickers just to kind of finish off some unfinished areas. And they are from the Dear Lizzie Ephemera and Phrase pack. Ooh, I got a hot flash. And I think I pretty much covered all areas. And my title also comes from the, I'm sorry, I hit my mic. I heard Coco. Where'd she go? Anyway, my title Grateful comes from the American Crafts Horizon stickers as well. Not just the other chipboard stickers, but my title as well. So I tend to go, it looks like I go quite heavy on embellishments here. Because there's all these flowers that also came in the kit, and I was like, oh my gosh, I try to use flowers, but it's hard for me. So like this kind of layout is perfect because I tend to do layouts of like Mateo, Coco. Granted, Coco is a girl, so I could use flowers with her, but usually it's boys, so I don't want to use flowers. It's hard for me. I try to use them even on boy layouts, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to glue all these flowers down without too much movement. And then this one ends up not going, this top left ends up not quite going together like I had before. I was like, what's different? Why? But it all works out in the end. And then once I get those all done, I get the butterflies down, and that is pretty much going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.